Hello everyone. Welcome to Computational Methods in Engineering class. I am V Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Uh, in this session, I am going to discuss one problem in Laplace equation. Let us see the problem. Given the values of u of x comma y on the boundary of the square in the figure, evaluate the function of u of x comma y satisfying the Laplace equation, that is delta square u equal to 0 at the pivoted points of this figure by Gauss-Seidel iteration method. Uh, Let us see this figure. These are the boundary values, that is 500, 0, 0, 0, 500, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 2000, 2000, 1000, and the interior points u1, u2, u3, u4. To get the initial values of u1, u2, u3 and u4, we assume that u4 equal to 0. Then calculate u1, u2, u3 and u4. u1 equal to, for calculating u1 value, you can apply the diagonal formula, that is 1000 plus u4 plus 2000 plus 1000. That is 1 by 4 into 1000 plus u4 is 0 plus 1000 plus 2000. This value is 1000. That is diagonal formula. Next you can calculate u2 by using standard formula. u2 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4. u2 equal to 1 by 4 into 1000 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4. u4 is 0. This value is 625. This is standard formula. Next, you can calculate u3. u3 equal to, you can apply the standard formula, that is 2000 plus u4 plus u1 plus 500. 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 0 plus u1 1000 plus 500. This value is 875. This is standard formula. Standard formula. Next, similarly, u4 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 plus 0 plus u2 plus 0. u3 is 875 plus 0 plus 625 plus 0 equal to 375. This is the standard formula. Uh, We carry out the successive iterations using Gauss-Seidel formula. Let us write. Uh, let us write the equations for u1, u2, u3, u4, u1 power n plus 1 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus 2000 plus u2 power n plus 1000 plus u3 power n. u2 power n plus 1000 plus u3 power n. Next, u2 power n plus 1 equal to 1 by 4 into uh, previous in previous u1 value plus, that means u1 power n plus 1 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power n. u1 power n plus 1 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power n. Next, u3 power n plus 1 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 power n plus u1 power n plus 1 plus 500. 2000 plus u4 power n plus u1 power n plus 1 plus 500. u4 power n plus 1 equal to 1 by 4 into u4 power n plus 1 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 previous u3 value, that is u3 power n plus 1 plus 0 plus u2 previous value, that is u2 power n plus 1 plus 0. u3 power n plus 1 plus 0 plus u2 power n plus 1 plus 0. These are the equations for Gauss-Seidel iteration method. For calculating first iteration, you can put n equal to 0, that means u1 power 1 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 0 plus 1000 plus u3, u2 power 1 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 power 1 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4, u3 power 1 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 plus u1 power 1 plus 500, u4 power 1 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 power 1 plus 0 plus u2 power 1 plus 0. Let us see the first iteration. First iteration, put n equal to 0. Before calculating first iteration, you can write the initial values, that is u1 equal to 1000 comma u2 equal to 625 comma u3 equal to 875 u4 equal to 375. For first iteration, u1 power 1 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 0. u2 means 625 plus 1000 plus u3 power 0. u3 means 875. This value is 1125. u2 power 1 equal to 1 by 4 into previous u1 value, that is u1 power 1 1125 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 u4 value, that is 375. This value is 750. u3 power 1 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 u4 value 375 plus u1 power 1, that is 1125 plus 500 equal to 1000. u4 power 1 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 power 1. u3 power 1 is 1000 plus 0 plus u2 power 1, that is 750 plus 0. This value is 438. Next, second iteration. Put n equal to 1 in the Gauss-Seidel equations. That is u1 power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 1 plus 1000 plus u3 power 1. u2 power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 power 2 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power 1. u3 power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 power 1 plus u1 power 2 plus 500. u4 power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 power 2 plus 0 plus u2 power 2 plus 0. Second iteration. Put n equal to 1. Before calculating second iteration, you can write previous values, that is u1 power 1 equal to 1125, u2 power 1 equal to 750, u3 power 1 equal to 1000, u4 power 1 equal to 438. u1 power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 1 that is 750 plus 1000 plus u3 power 1 that is 1000. This value is 1188. u2 power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 power 2 that is 1188 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power 1 that is 438 equal to 782. u3 power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 power u4 power 1 that is 438 plus u1 power 2 that is 1188 plus 500 equal to 1032. u4 power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 power u3 power 2 that is 1032 plus 0 plus u2 power 2 that is 782 plus 0 that equal to 454. Next third iteration. Here you can put n equal to 2 in the Gauss-Seidel equation, that is u1 power 3 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 2 plus 1000 plus u3 power 2. u2 power 3 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 power 3 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power 2. u3 power 3 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 power 2 plus u1 power 3 plus 500. u4 power 3 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 power 3 plus 0 plus u2 power 3 plus 0. Third iteration. Previous values are here put n equal to 2. Uh, Previous values u1 power 2 equal to 1188, u2 power 2 equal to 782, u3 power 2 equal to 1032, u4 power 2 equal to 454. Let us see the third iteration values. a1 power 3, u2 power 3, u3 power 3, u4 power 3. u1 power 3 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 2 that is 782 plus 1000 plus u3 power 2 that is 1032. This value is 1204. u2 power 3 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 power u1 power 3, that is 1204 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power 2, that is 454. This value is 789. 789. u3 power 3 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 power 2, that is 454 plus u1 power 3 1204 plus 500. This value is 1040. u4 power 3 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 power 3, that is 1040 plus 0 plus u2 power 3, that is 789 plus 0. This value is 458. Uh, Next, fourth iteration, you can put n equal to 3 in the Gauss-Seidel iterations. u1 power 4 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 3 plus 1000 plus u3 power 3. u2 power 4 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 power 4 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power 3. u3 power 4 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 power 3 plus u1 power 4 plus 500. u4 power 4 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 power 4 plus 0 plus u2 power 4 plus 0. Fourth iteration, put put n equal to 3. u1 power 4, write previous values, that is u1 power 3, u1 power 3 equal to 1204, u2 power 3 equal to 789, u3 power 3 equal to 1040, u4 power 3 equal to 458. Let us calculate the fourth iteration values, that is u1 power 4 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 3, that is 789 plus 1000 plus u3 power 3 1040 This value is 1207 u2 power 4 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 power 4, that is 1207 plus u4 power 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power 3, that is 458. This value is 791 u3 power 4 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 power 3, that is 458 plus u1 power 4, that is 1207 plus 500. uh, this value is 1041. 1041 u4 power 4 equal to 1 by 4 into u3 power 4, that is 1041 plus 0 plus u2 power 4 791 plus 0. This value is 458. Next, fifth iteration. Put n equal to 4 in the Gauss-Seidel equations. Fifth iteration. Fifth iteration, put n equal to 4. Write the previous iteration values, that is u1 power 4 equal to 1207, u2 power 4 equal to 791, u3 power 4 equal to 1041, u4 power 4 equal to 458. Let us calculate the fifth iteration values, that is u1 power 5 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u2 power 4, that is 791 plus 1000 plus u3 power 4 1041. This value is 1208. 1208. Next, u2 power 5 equal to 1 by 4 into u1 power 5, that is 1208 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 power 4, that is 458. This value is 791. u3 power 5 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus u4 power 4, that is 458 plus u1 power 5, that is 1208 plus 500. This value is 1041.5, 1041.5, u4 power 5 equal to 1 by 4, u3 power 5, that is 1041.5 plus 0 plus u2 power 5, that is 791 plus 0. This value is 458.25. Let us observe previous values with present value. That means uh, there is no significant difference between the fifth iteration values, fourth iteration values, and fifth iteration values. So hence the u1 value is u1 equal to 1208, u2 equal to 792, 791, u3 equal to 1042, u4 equal to 458. Fourth iteration values and fifth iteration values almost equal. So I have taken u1 equal to 1208, u2 equal 791, u3 equal 1042, u4 equal to 458. Uh, these are the final answer for the given problem. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.